يب لازم نسوي التابل.
يا some of
Yeah.
it.
To be honest, is easy. You just draw the table, count it. That's it.
يا يعني
اسحب على هذه الأسئلة يا لازم نسوي تابل.
يا عندك 8 or 12 يعني 5 و1 يعني 6 على 36.
What you doing? Number 4.
يعني 0.7. هذه كلها تيبل اللي تحت.
اسحب عليها.
نمبر 6.
What is that?
نمبر 6 دي ولا لا؟ 12 على 36.
Divisible by 3, it's going to be 2 out of 6, which is 0.25, I think. No, 2 out of 6 is 0.333, so D. You got number 6? You want me to do number 6?
بسيطة. No, it's easy. Just put the table and
No, not the table.
get all the numbers and that's it.
لا
Get the
لأن
number
هو
divisible
قال
by 3 on the first die, not on the sum.
first guy يعني 2 على 6.
on the first die. Okay. Yeah, 2 على 6. 2 على 6. So it's 0.333. D.
نمبر 7 قال لك both dice.
Um,
0.25.
CPIT 201 Professor
What?
release homework.
دقيقة هذا ليه مو موجود؟ ما في 0.25 ليش؟
It's due 18 October.
ايش هو؟
There's a CPIT 201 homework. It's going to be due on 18 October. You just released it. Okay, so
Oh my god.
what are you doing now? 8?
ايوه 8. في غلط ولا يتهيألي؟
7 شباب 7 كيف سويتوا؟
7.
7 ايوه معلش.
So I'll explain 6 first. Go with 6.
6 is easy.
Wait, let me just explain it. Okay, so 1.
مو سم اللي قبله سم.
4, 5, 6. Okay, so divisible by 3 on the first dice. So you don't care about the second dice. Okay, so the first dice, the only ones that are divisible by 3 are 3 and 6, which is 2 over 6. Now the probability of getting a number divisible by 2 on both dice is going to be 2 and 4. 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so that's going to be 3 over 6 on the first dice. Now on the second dice, it's independent. Okay, so 3 over 6 as well. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, 1 over 4. So the answer is going to be...
ما في قايل لك ما في جواب.
25.
It should be يعني لما يقول لك divisible by 2 يعني 2 و4 و6 تمام. فهذه 3 أرقام على 6. ودام قال لك both to the power 2 زود.
So 2
فالمفروض تطلع 0.25.
6 2.
الجواب غلط شكله. المهم.
Yeah, so 4 2 4 4 4 6.
Then B are 2 events.
طيب A and B are 2 events. Okay, and there's an intersection. Okay, if there's an intersection, that means that they are not mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means that
كل واحد مسؤول عن نفسه.
they don't occur at the same. They wait. Mutually exclusive means that they can't happen at the same time. طيب.
Okay.
Now, if it was dependent or independent, that's for example in the Like for example, if you're
And
taking balls
balls.
out of the thing, okay? The probability of getting the first ball is 1 over 4. Say that there are 2 white, 2 red, okay? So 2 out of 4. Okay, and then you take one out. Now the probability changed, okay? So now the probability of getting a white one is 1 over 4. Probability of 1 over 3. Probability of brown is going to be 2 over 3. Okay. Now this means that they are dependent on each other. They're dependent events. Okay. So
If it's without
when you take it
replacement,
out, yeah, when you have without replacement, then they're going to be dependent of each other. They change the probabilities of getting the next thing. Okay. Now if it was
replacement with
independent,
replacement
it's
independent.
independent. Yeah. Because the probabilities are going to stay the same across the what's called
طيب.
taken out when you take it out. So here it's not mutually exclusive.
دقيقة. خلنا نسجل الأرقام دي 0.4 0.35 0.15. طيب
0.6 أعتقد.
right
These are
right
Equal 0.4
Alright,
plus
alright.
0.35
This
minus
is shit, isn't it?
0.15.
أيوه.
Easy, easy.
Yeah.
Next.
اللي بعده
suppose the probabilities of events
again برضو 0.6
that 2 events occur.
what
I think they mean A and
One.
B.
قلت دقيقة 11 قصدكم ولا 12؟
10
10
10. اوكي.
10 it should be نفس هذه
اعطانا
one
القانون
minus
ريان.
that. 1 minus that.
1 minus that صح معلش my bad يعني اوكي حتطلع دي
بعدين
طيب
الحين جالسين نسوي 11 صح؟
الحين 11
اوكي.
1 minus اوكي
1 minus A and B right؟
0.15. Wait.
هذه لا غلط
1 minus
0.85 1 minus
75.
لا
85.
85
أوكي.
فشلتونا بيسك ماث يا جماعة
دقيقة وريني الارقام يا بندر. ويت بس خليني
شوفوا بس
اوكي
ريان
خلاص.
طيب
اي ناقص بي
A
يعني
without B is 0.4
يعني-
minus 0.15.
هو يبي الاي بدون
Probability of
البي
A minus probability of A.
يب
A and B yeah so
it's
gonna
25
be
or 20 ما ادري وين في جواب 20
25.
what
Wait. Who's playing that? Okay, number 15. Number
دقيقة
15 now, right?
yeah 25
دقيقة
مو هنا 25.
ايوه خلاص نيفر مايند
طيب
انا كنت جالس انقصها
15,
من
number
البي
15. طيب suppose
13 ايش؟
suppose that
suppose
probability
probabilities
depends.
of event A 0.13 0.3. Then probability of B is going to be 0.35. If the probability that at least one event will occur, okay, at least one event means that everything, one event, two events, okay, will be 0.8. Then the probability that the 2 events occur, I think they mean both. Only 2 events occur, not one event. Just 2 events. That means the intersection. Okay, so just A plus B minus this, or this minus this plus this. So 0.8 minus 0. Wait, I think this is wrong. I remember solving it. Or I remember Omar saying that
It's right ولا
it gets negative. At least one event will occur. I think it's wrong. The question is wrong.
يا عمي ما هو مشروح زلوا ادم يلا بس جماعة والله الواجبات احسن من الخرا هذا يلا والله انا طفشت صراحة تبغون نغير
Yeah. Let's go to the the test bank that you
والله
said.
طلعت مرة خرا، كنت متفائل فيها.
I told you.
شوف هذه أحسن يا رجل من القرار.
عادي اسهل يا عمي، مرة بيض.
هذه مرة بيض. اوكي يلا خلاص.
يلا بسم الله.
طيب wait.
ايش التست بانك اللي تقول عليه يا
والله
ريان؟
طلع تست بانك مخصي. شفت عند الدكتور احسبه انه مرة كويس.
اظن عرفنا اللي مخصي.
This.
في موقع تفاعل يا عيال حق
Yeah, we should. You want us to do that? But Khalid says that's bad.
في ارقام غلط ترى التفاعل.
يا عمي خلاص it's so
Nice.
fucking
Let's just
easy.
do this.
لازم نحل. خلينا نروح نلعب ليج.
إيش طيب you go play and let us study. Okay, so this is the official one, I think, and this is another one. Which one should we do first? The official one?
Is the official?
وقديم. 32
اوه
33
ما
قبل 10 سنين.
طيب just solve the hard questions.
طيب
بمشي سؤال نشوف.
طيب ريان حطيت هذه بالجروب؟
It's in the group.
اوكي جريت جود.
I forward it.
لا ما يحتاج.
دو ات.
لا يا كسول خليه يروح يجتهد بنفسه.
نو دو ات.
وانا لما اقول لك ارسل لي ما يرسل لي.
مين انا؟
You.
انا كذا I'm just kidding dude.
عنصرية.
تخيل انا قبل
طيب we
كم-
solved
قبل
these
يومين.
5 million times.
طيب not. This one yes, but this one is new.
اه
Okay.
يلا
this is
خلينا
easy.
نحل النيو. طيب
This is easy. Just repetition, no repetition. You want us to do it?
Okay.
Tell me if you want to do it or not, because
يا عمي اللايسنس خلاص ختمنا هم.
37 هولي.
اذا كانت بريبيتيشن عدد ايش اسمه هذا
اعطيني الهارد
باور
ون.
اوف زفت.
طيب
لا بس الهارد ون اللي فيه لا كذا غير الواجبات وغير التست بانك ودي الاشياء. اللي عنده فكرة.
او شيت جوال ما في شاحن بروح اجيب
number
شاحن.
14 might be hard
14. Okay wait.
because you guys aren't that familiar with this type of
The
question.
number of
Okay, so there are 5 people in the committee. Okay, number of possible committees with an odd number of men. Okay, so the odd numbers are 0,
1
0
3.
an odd number.
دقيقة حلو السؤال كم؟
No I don't think so.
1, 3,
3 5
question what dude؟
14.
14.
14 ما في
Like
14
number
ماني
of
شايف.
possible
Okay.
committees
Yeah.
with an odd number of men. So this one is
Mhm.
before 8c1 times 6. Draw the table. This is male. This is woman. Okay, and the total is always going to be should always be 5. Just always make sure. Okay, because sometimes I do it and I don't. It's not equal to 5. Okay, so 1, 3, 5. So this is going to be 4. 4, 2, then 0. So the sum is always going to be equal to 5.
خليني احلها بطريقة اصرف بس.
أصرف، ها؟ طيب
امين يعني في هذه الحالة لما يقول لك odd ولا even ترى it's the same.
طيب. Okay, so
طيب. Yeah it's easy. Actually it's easy.
yeah. Good.
Okay. 8C1 8C like this
Times
right?
8c4, 6c4.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you just add them. Okay, so
Yeah. This one is easy.
from a bag containing without replacing this came in the homework a lot of times. Selecting this in color. Mutually exclusive event.
كم قالوا مدة الاختبار؟ ساعة ولا ساعتين؟
طيب
ساعة.
20.
ساعة يعني نص الوقت نص ساعة
يا
ولا ما في نص وقت؟
أكيد في نص.
Okay, if number 20, if A and B are mutually exclusive events, what is probability of B? Okay, so A union B is going, because they're mutually exclusive, okay, we know that this is probability of A, this is probability of B. Then probability of A union B is these two, 0.7 minus 0.45, it's going to be
هذا 20 صح؟ 20
0.25. Yeah, 20.
اوكي.
So that's going to be 0.25a. Okay. And number 21, probability of A complement intersection B complement. It's going to be 1 minus probability of A union B.
Union
Okay.
B.
Because A union B is 0.7.
This one is easy. But the 20, how did you solve 20?
قاعد mutual
wait.
exclusive يعني ما في فاصل بينهم.
Intersection B complement.
ما في intersection بينهم.
Mhm.
So لما تاخذ ال A وتنقص منها ال B حتطلع لك ال B على طول.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so yeah, so it should be 1.
Mm.
Wait.
What?
Okay, so if this is A and this is B,
Mhm.
this is B complement. Then A complement is the intersection. So yeah. So it should be 0.3. My bad. So 1 minus 0.7. They gave us 0.7. So 0.3.
Dumb.
Yeah.
The one above it, you just did 0.7.
0.7 minus 0.45 because we
Yeah,
know that
okay.
they don't
Yeah.
have an intersection. Okay, suppose A and B are mutually exclusive events such as A. I think these look like they're actually exam questions. Like it's an actual exam. You know, in the physics exam, they give us like questions like this all stuck together. And
Anyway, it looks the same as well.
yeah. So I think this is better to solve. Okay, so 22. Suppose A and B are mutually exclusive. A or B. So A or B is just 0.38 plus 0.40 probability of A plus probability of B. A and B is 0 because mutually exclusive. Not A or not B is you need to flip it. Probability of A or this is not. Okay, so it's also 0. 1 minus 0, so 1. Because
What?
look.
Wait.
Let me take a step back, okay? So probability of A complement
Mhm.
or which is union B complement. Okay, so that's 1 minus probability of
A and B.
A intersection B. Okay,
Yeah.
and we know that this is going to be 0 because it's mutually exclusive. Because mutually exclusive, they don't have intersection, so it's going to be 0. Okay, so that's going to be 1.
Interesting. والله يا أخي.
This is repeating like when.
So, but what about 22? I didn't understand.
Type number 22, A or B. Okay, A or B
Yeah.
is just adding them together. Because A or B is just this.
Because they don't have an intersection because it's mentioned. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so 25. This is easy. We solved it like 10 times. It's just the A minus intersection, B minus intersection, A or B, this plus this minus this. Customer visiting. Okay, this is Bayes' theorem. You want me to solve it? Looks like it's like a unique question. Like we didn't see something like this before. I do it?
A customer visiting the Jaril stores.
Okay, so
Fuck Jaril يا
probability
شيخ.
that. Okay, so
صابين عيال كلب.
Nigga.
That's a fact.
Okay.
I know this isn't Bayes' theorem. It's just the Venn diagram stuff. This is book. This is pen. This is calculator.
ها في calculator what؟ اوكي في السؤال.
Okay, so let me draw an actual set. Okay, that.
يا اخي الله يقرفهم يا اخي لما يكتبوا كتابة علامات وخلاص. كلام كثير ما مو فايدة.
Times.
هو منه فايدة بس
This is
I mean
0.25 0.22. Book is 0.
هذا اللي يصير لما يكون في 3 بويضات مو دوائر.
0.22. Pen is 0.3.
0.28.
And calculator is
0.28.
0.28.
28.
Okay, customer will purchase both a book and pen, both a book and calculator book.
يلا أعطيك.
Uh,
A book and pen.
basically it's the three thing question.
يا أخي مشوار. والله مشوار سوي سكيب
Let's
وخلاص.
skip it? Okay. Yeah. Just skip it. None of these. Okay, so
بعد ذا
basically-
كله
so
skip it.
basically it's 0.22. You add these, you subtract these, add this.
إيش يبغى هو؟ برشنز none of these items في
Then one
النهاية.
minus. Okay, so you do 0.22 plus 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.28 minus 0.11 minus 0.14 minus 0.1, because these are the probabilities of them alone. This is the intersections. These are all three items.
Okay, and then what do we do with the 0.06?
We add it in then, because those are all. And you
Alright.
get 0.15.
Where?
Okay, and then you do 1 minus that, so 0.49. So the answer is B. So basically you get everything, then you subtract it by 1. Okay, 29.
Okay.
And when tossing a coin 3 times, I'll flip on heads. So just this divided by the total, which is 2 to the power 3. So 1 over 2 to the power 3 is
طلع
Wait.
معي غلط الإجابة ليش؟
28.
دقيقة
28.
اسأل أيوه
28B. You did 1
you said
minus?
B.
Okay, so this
دقيقة.
is 0.125. This is 1 over 8.
The conditional probability that all flips land on heads, given that
Oh wait,
at least.
wait, no, it's not. Okay, I didn't read the second part. Okay, all flips land on heads, so we know that the second one is already ahead. The first one is already ahead, so we just select the ones that are heads.
Okay.
Okay, so
Given
that's
that the
going to be
first.
these, okay? Then
Wait, what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want me to draw it? The set?
It's right there. It's okay.
Yeah, okay. So given that the first slip lands on heads, so we remove these, the ones that start with T. So basically we cut the ones that start with head. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 that start with head. Okay, and what's the probability that all of them land on head? So it's 1 over 4. Because there are 4 that start with H.
Oh.
ارفع شوية
yeah.
فوق شوية فوق. خلاص.
So 1 over 4.
That's-
Probability that all flips land on heads. To be honest, these are good questions, not the
يا أخي ارفع يا أخي ليش نزلت أيوه.
طيب that all flips land on heads, given that at least one flip lands on heads. All
دقيقة
flips
دقيقة
land
أنا
on
جالس
heads.
تطلع معي كل شيء غلط ما أعرف ليش. أوكي ياي طلعتها يس.
Okay,
يس.
so number 30 is. You want me to go over number 29 again?
No, it's good.
Okay, so number 30, the probability that all flips lands on heads, given that at least one flip lands on heads. Okay, so the only one that doesn't have a head on it, okay, at least one, is this. Okay, so there are 8 in total, so 1 minus 8 is 7. So 7 in total, these 1. Okay,
Yeah.
so 1 over 7, that's going to be the answer. Is,
وين the conditional probability that flips land on heads given first flip
Yeah.
lands.
Okay, I get it.
we're in 30.
Because it gave you a condition
Yeah.
that there has to be a
أصبر.
head.
أنا ما كنت معاكم 29.
طيب, okay, let me draw the set so I could like. Okay, so this is the set. Okay, this is heads, tail, heads.
8 احتمالات طيب يا أخ.
طيب, okay, then given that the first flip lands on heads, so we remove the ones that aren't the first. Okay, so there are
Okay.
4 left. Then 1 over 4. That's it.
Okay.
See.
Nice.
Then number 30. least one flip lands on heads. Okay, so we remove TT2. Okay, 1/7.
Okay.
Okay.
The condition probability that all flips land on heads given that at least one flip lands on. Okay. يعني مو شرط
That's
الفيرست.
why it's
Okay,
so
okay.
long. It just has answers. Okay, let's solve 1, 2, 3. Oh no, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are easy. But, these are different. So number 4.
طيب. When designing 7 places,
Or wait.
place licenses such
Okay, yeah. Let's do it. Okay. Repetition is allowed to letters only. So only letters are allowed to repeat. Now there are 7 places. And there are
repetition على ايش؟
wait, let me just read the question, okay? So, the first 3 places are letters, the final 4 are numbers, okay? And there are 7 in total. And there are 8 numbers in total, and 15 letters, okay? And n is the number of plates that are possible. If repetition is allowed to letters only, okay, so this is 15, 15, 15. Then what is
قاعد
n?
the
Okay,
first
and
one.
8 can't repeat, so 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, okay? So 15 cubed times 8p4. Okay, now the second one, repetition is allowed to numbers only. So then it will be 15p3 times 8 to the power 4. Okay, if repetition is allowed to both letters and letters letters
letters and letters.
Okay, so they meant letters and numbers. So 15 cubed times number cubed. Number 4. 8, 4. Okay, so that's what they meant. Both what? Not allowed. Okay, so not allowed, just 15p3 times 8p4.
يطلع سي. next يا عمي سهلة.
Wait. Okay, number of okay, it doesn't have any repeating words. And the rest are easy, I think. No restrictions. Yeah, okay.
ايه اصبر خلنا نحل 3 letters word. ما ادري ايش هذه كانت. سؤال 8.
It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8p3.
8p3. اه
This
اوكي.
is 8p3.
يعني ايه؟
8p3.
The answer doesn't have to be okay, and like half of it is just
ايه خلصنا نذاكره. Oh my god. Too many shits.
طيب
Oh 2015.
determine the number n of arrangements of 6 math. I think the other one, this is before they change the syllabus. This is like 10 years old, man. 10 years
Yeah.
old. Okay, no wonder. Okay, but to be honest, they used to teach set stuff, which is good. They should teach it. Yeah, see subset stuff. Okay.
Coronavirus.
This is
We don't
easy.
know how to teach in coronavirus.
Last 4 places are numbers. These are easy.
ايش رايكم بالله في الخلفية حقتي حريقة؟
ايش تقصد؟
من جد.
شوف
الله ايش ده؟
ويب
هذا ودي هنا.
So, this repeats.
It's pretty cool actually. يا اخي I love wallpaper engine. افضل شيء في الحياة. ايش رايكم يا جماعة؟ دقيقة اصبر. فضايح دحين تطلع يا عيال.
Okay, so this is easy. Okay, let's solve 9, 12.
رامو هذه عجبتك؟
Okay, so a man used to go
what do I
to
have
work
else?
by bus, car, taxi, foot. So bus, car, taxi, foot. And this is 0.28, 0.34, 0.2, 0.18. Then this is what's the probability of arriving late. So late complement. Late complement, late complement. Okay, so this is just base here. Okay, so of arriving late 0.07, 0.03, 0.05, 0.0. You sound like you need to be shot by that. Okay, where's my calculator? Can't find my calculator. It dropped.
Arriving late to work.
هربت منك الكالكوليتر. ليش كذا يوصل كذا يوصل.
اوكي يا اخي مشوار هذه حلها.
Okay, so basically the first one is just 0.0468. Okay, so that's probably
هذه تكون 0.18 times 0.5 0.05.
okay,
حقسم على ايش؟
nothing.
حقسم على ايش؟
ما
كيف
تقسم
نقول؟
Nine, you just add
ايش معاهم؟
altogether. So the sum of the
0.07 0.03
0.28 times 0.07, 0.34 times 0.03, 0.2 times
Wait.
0.04. So the probability of arriving late.
Welcome to the stat.
And here.
Yeah, you're right. تطلع 468 والله مرة كتير. يا أخي
But
ستات
basically
كثير.
this is the answer. Okay, so
اوكي
then
اوكي.
knowing, given that the man arrived late to work, okay, so you know that it's within these branches, okay. What is the probability that the man used the bus? Okay, so that's going to be
0.28
0.28 times 0.07 time over. Let me just write it. Okay,
التوتال على اللي هو حق الباص صح؟
0.7 divided by the total 0.0468. So then that should be probability.
It's like the homework.
Okay, so this is 0.41.
41 blah blah blah.
Yeah, D.
The number of three letters.
Okay, this is repeat.
7 probability 3. 7 B3.
8 B3.
Wait 8 P3.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
It's easy. Just ignore it. Okay.
ما في answer ولا ايش هو؟
It's going to be A.
ماني شايف. It's 8.
A 8 P3.
8 letters قصدي. أنا أحول ما أشوف.
It's going to be 8 P3 8 letters.
Yeah 8 B3 أنا أحسبها من أول 7 قلت what the fuck.
Count the duplicates, divide the duplicates. Okay, so.
duplicates.
Okay, so 3 selected without replacement.
أحمل لكم انتاي.
What is this?
The fuck?
ايش؟
I2C3
دقيقة أدور لكم هنتاي ما عندي هنتاي أنا.
12 C3.
ماني زي هتان. هتان وسخ عنده هنتاي.
13. Value of P. Selected cards will be pictures. It's a picture. It's going to be. What's a picture? Let's just search it. Someone.
سكيب يا ابوي.
No, we need to know. cards.
انترستنج. دقيقة لقيت اشياء حلوة.
Bander.
مهم.
Bandor.
دقيقة.
So basically just skip it. Okay, mutual exclusive. Easy. Independent. So independent means that. Okay, let's do this. This is hard. Or it's tricky. Okay. Now that A and B be independent such that probability of A is equal to 0.28. Probability of B. A
مجهول.
union B is equal to 0.75. Now what's the probability of A complement intersection B complement? So that's probability 1 minus probability of A union B, which is 0.25. Now what's the value of B? I want you guys to guess it.
We can do
new things.
وين صار كم
18.
18 the value of B طيب طيب
ها ريان عجبتك دي؟
يا هذه حليناها اتوقع. يبغى بي صح؟
it's gonna be 0.25.
اوه ماي جاد بندر kill yourself you fucking shit. اوكي طيب
So
هذه
now
اذكر حليتها.
بيه كم حتطلع؟
I don't know, I'm not calculating now. But you guys tried? Okay, so
wait
ما طلعت معي 47 ما ادري صح ولا غلط.
0.28 طيب حتسويها بطريقة عكسية عارف؟ يعني ويت طيب كنا دقيقة
how do you solve it?
أصبر. I think I know.
A وال B.
I understand now. Okay, just tell me when you do it.
هو تدري ايش المشكلة؟ انه ما اعطانا A and B عارف؟
Yeah. Okay.
وين
the
المشكلة؟
main point is independent.
Wait.
Like, the hint is that it's independent.
Independent? What does it mean then?
طيب, I'm gonna explain to you
Fuck is this
what
shit,
is
dude?
independent and why it matters. Just tell me when
This
you
is
do it.
case shit.
طيب, just let me do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
do it.
Okay, so now mutually exclusive means that they don't occur, okay, together. But independent just means that they don't influence each other, okay? So it has an intersection, but they don't influence each other, okay? And when you have an intersection and it doesn't intersect, it's called influence each other. A and B will be equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. Usually it's after A happened, but here it's mutually exclusive, so we don't care. So A intersection B is equal to probability of A times probability of B. Keep that in mind. Okay, now let's do this, okay? Now the formula for A intersection B is usually probability of A plus probability of B time minus probability of
No.
A.
Don't you mean union? A union B?
Oh.
Wait, so then you replace this here.
Uh-huh.
Now I think we need to simplify this equation. Fine. Right, so now we group the b's together. So probability of A times probability of B minus probability of B is equal to probability of A minus probability of A union B. Then you group by B. Probability of, at least I think this is how you do it. I've never seen a question like this, to be honest. So probability of A minus 1 is equal to probability of A minus probability of A.
يا ساتر انتوا ايش كتبتوا؟ بس انا رحت شوي ورجعت لقيتكم كاتبين
Like,
5 سطور.
I think
سؤال اسمه
probability of A
البعوص.
is equal to probability of A minus probability of A union B over probability of A
هذه كل قوانين جالس اكتبها يا ريان.
minus 1.
لا سؤال واحد.
Okay, I
لا مستحيل
think
سؤال واحد.
that this is
Are you fucking kidding me?
Wait. Why did you do PA minus 1?
Wait, it can't be minus 1. Or maybe this is... Okay, let me just try doing it.
انت يا
Yeah,
ساتر
it will be right. Okay.
يا ساتر.
But why did you do PA minus 1?
Let me
هذا
just
السؤال
do
اللي
it,
على
make sure
البركة.
that it's correct. Okay, and then I'll explain. Okay.
Alright.
اصبر خلنا احله قبل ما تحله عشان
What
اكتشف انه
the
كويس.
fuck?
مو معقول هذا كله سؤال واحد.
So
Too much والله.
I think that this is... I think
مستحيل
كان
شيء
زعلان.
زي
right answer.
والله تشوف هذا دكتور
والله.
يزعل الحين اذا اختبار زي كذا.
يعطيك كذا سؤال يقول لك يلا حبيبي.
I like this. Like, this is a question that makes you think. Okay, let me check the answer. So the answer should be 0.653C. Okay, this is number 18. Number 18.
دقيقة ريم ممكن تطلع؟
طيب,
وريني
let
الخيارات.
me just check the
Okay.
answer.
اوكي.
Yeah, it's correct. But they did it in a different way?
What?
No,
So?
wait, did they? I don't know what they did to us. Oh, wait.
1 minus
They,
ما يحتاج 1 minus.
طيب اصبر. Okay, so I did it.
الله ريان سوى نفسه فنان
طيب
وحيودينا
it's the
60
same
داهية
thing,
في
it's the same
الاختبار.
thing. طيب. Okay, so basically it's C. Okay, what I did, okay, is now this is the formula. Okay, but I should have replaced it in the beginning. Okay, what I did is that I factorized it all. Okay, and then I replaced. Okay, but if you replace it first, then it'll be easier. Okay, so you could do. So basically, what they did, okay, is the probability of A union B. Like, just ignore that for a minute, because to be honest, it's overcomplicated. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, and we said here it's independent. Okay, so the probability of A intersection B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. So we just replace that here. Probability of A union B, okay, is 0.75. Okay, is equal to probability of A 0.28 plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, which is probability of A 0.28 times the probability
Times
of
B.
Okay, so that's we don't know it. Okay, so
سوي بالحاسبة وخلاص.
then we just do it. Yeah, then we just do like shift solve. This is X, this is X.
Yeah.
Get, X is equal to 0.63.
Interesting. والله سؤال طويل جدا طويل.
You're just
It's all on the
لا مو طويل. انت
independent.
حط انت على الفورمولا نفس اللي كتبها ريان وانت عوض بعدين في الحاسبة بالارقام اللي عندك وسوي سولف.
So basically, this is how questions should be. Not just like using the formula. That's it.
ما حيجي زي كذا في الاختبار.
اعطيكم اكبر مثال
إلا
إن
دكتور زعلان.
الدكتور ذا واحد مره زعلان حاط كذا بكل سؤال عارف نو انسر. اوه ماي جاد
والله الدكتور
هذا
مرة
زعلان مره زعلان. طيب دقيقة لا تغير بس خليني اطالع.
Let me take a
Wait.
screenshot and see if anyone could solve it in the stat group. You're gonna be like,
اروح انا احل اسوي نفس الشغله الحين. تن تن. خلاص يعني اكيد بكره الاختبار ما في تاجيل.
هو مد واحد صح؟ بعدين نهائي ولا
شد بي
مدين؟
يعني هم على كلامهم. انا ما اعرف بس
و...
يعني يقول يا
الحين الستات هو كله 5 شباتر.
I think it's 24. The final.
فك
What?
فور شابترز
وين؟
اونلي.
There's only 5 chapters, but the last 2 are hard.
اروت؟
Are hard.
اوكي جريت.
يا اخي بعض الوول بيبرز حلو عليها ميوزك رايقه.
نايس.
من ريسبكت ذات والله.
انا شكل بنزل تحت شوية باخذ بريك دود، والله مخي فقت.
ريان
Yeah.
wanna see a new iPhone.
No.
Touching the chaos. يلا يا حاجة شوياتك ها. I'll be right back.
A, F, G are defined in the sample space. What is this? Oh, I thought there was more. He's right. There's so many no answer questions. No answers. Here you mean F. But did anyone see it? Hmm. Okay, so who's here also? Is everyone still here? Yeah. It's still 19 to 27.
والله يا اخي ابى اعرف مين قال لهم انه المجموعه معي مين قال لهم حطوا اختياري طيب لا غصب معفن مقرف
يا اخي وين راحت؟
احس انا ما رايد. ها ايوه
يلا يا شباب انا بروح انام والله. اخبار 9.
اوكي بالتوفيق.
we're just
Yeah.
gonna solve this. I think, yeah,
which one?
this one. This
كان مصيبه كمان ما يخلونا نلعب.
season, I think that's the hardest thing.
لا ابدا.
لا اتوقع الامور في السلام. سهالات والله. يلا يا شباب سلام.
Okay, so good. Wait. He left.
وات.
Just, like if there's anything like unexpected, messages. It's called
شور
after the exam. Like just
I'll
say
try. متى اختباركم انتو؟
it's at 1.
واحدة.
You're at 8.
كلكم واحدة؟
ايه.
يا
اوكي طيب ابشر.
So like
خلصت ان شاء الله
just
برسلها
try,
لكم.
is it like the assignments or is it like the
اه طيب
16
اوكي.
time? And is there
Yeah.
any definitions?
سلام.
Exactly that. Is there any definitions or not? Okay, so yeah.
اوكي. يلا سلام.
Okay, let's continue. Yeah.
ها
Please.
صار سنه ليش؟ اوكي.
Can you hear me? ريان
Yeah.
سلامتك.
I can't hear you.
لا you can hear me.
What did you say? I can't hear you. I think you're muted.
I'm blind.
Okay, so
I'm looking for new wallpaper تفش من اللي عندي قديم بس ماني ملاقي
how
شي
about
حلو.
new questions, huh? No new questions, just new wallpaper. Okay, so E. What is this? طيب. He didn't give us the last probability. Can't even solve. Yeah. Yeah, we can't solve this one. Maybe it's in the details. So this is 0.01. Yeah, he gave it to us.
ماني ملاقي شيء حلو.
Okay, this is 0.01. 0.05.
تحميل بطيء.
F.
What are we doing?
This question. This is 0.04. 0.04. 0.06.
كان قال وين رايح؟
I don't know. 0.3. ENG 0.01. 0.1. 0.2.
Just left. ما أعرف أنا.
Okay, now E union F. E union F is this. So just 0.5 minus 0.4 minus 0.3.
الله يهديني.
E without F. This part. So just 0.5 minus intersection, which is 0.2. D 21. E without E without FIG. This is the intersection. This is without the intersection. So just 0.5 minus 0.3 minus 0.1 plus 0.01. Which is 0.11.
Wait, what? 0.3?
So E without F and G.
Yeah.
So E is 0.5, F and G. So just remove the intersections. So E and F maybe? No. What? intersection G. Oh wait, no. Look, this is E. This is E, and this is F intersection G. So E
Yeah.
without F intersection G, it's all this. See, so it's just E minus 0.01. So 0. Is 0.49. See, 22. Probability of E given F. Yeah. So probability of F, probability of E and F, or E intersection F. Probability of F is 0.4. E intersection F is 0.3, 0.3 over 0.4, 3 over 4 is 0.75. To be honest, I want to see someone that memorizes the formulas to just find this. 22, 23. Ooh. What is this? To be honest, these questions are really good. They're actually hard. So E without F. So there's E without F, then F without E. Right. So just find F and E. F union E, which is probability of F plus probability of E minus probability of F and E. And then you subtract, because you see that there's this place missing, so you subtract F and E again, so 2 F and E. Okay, probability of F is 0.4 plus 0.5 minus 2 times F and E, 0.3.
Why did you do 2 times? I don't get it.
Okay, so usually we will find so this area, okay, is just this, everything, minus the center.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we just find F union E, okay, which is F plus E minus the intersection. Okay, and then we subtract the intersection again, so we get this part. Okay, so we subtract it twice. Okay, or we could just find F union E, okay, and then subtract it, and then it doesn't matter. So 0.4 plus 0.5 minus 2 times 0.3 is 0.3. And that's B. Okay. E intersection FUG. Okay, so this is E. Then in the intersection of F union G. Okay, so if this is E, this is the F union G, then the intersection will be the stuff in the middle. F union G intersection, so yeah. So we want this part. So that's just probability of E.
E intersection F, E intersection
plus,
G.
E intersection G, yeah. Minus the probability of in between, which is 0.1.
Of all of them, right?
Yeah, it's 0.01, it's not given in the question. But I mean, it's missing. They forgot to put it. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
0.3 plus 0.1 minus 0.01. So 0.39. 24. Yeah, yeah. 25. Probability of E union F intersection G. This is E. This is F intersection G. Just union, so everything.
Mhm.
So everything is just probability of E plus probability of F plus probability of G minus probability of the intersections plus the middle part, which is 0.101.
But what does the F intersection G have to do with that?
What? F intersection
What does
25. And now look. This is. Okay, let me get the answer first. It's 0.91.
yeah?
Is that one of the answers? 25.
Yeah.
No, لا لا لا.
Okay, let me think of it again. E is all this. F intersection. Oh, intersection. My bad. So
Yeah.
union. So this is just E. Yeah. So just probability of E plus the intersection probability of F intersection G minus probability of the middle 0.01.
Alright.
So 0.5 plus F intersection G 0.2 minus 0.01 is 0.69. Okay, that's 25. 0.61. What? Oh, minus plus.
That's not what it.
It's E union F intersection G. This is F intersection G. Union is both 0.5, 0.2. Yeah, what? I need to look at the answers for this.
25.
Yeah, it's 0.69. They just put the wrong answer.
ده الحشيش.
I have to doubt myself. Okay, 25. That's 26. E union F union G. That's going to be. You just add them. We calculated before. 0.5 plus 0.4 plus 0.6 minus 0.3 minus 0.1 minus 0.2 plus 0.01, which is 0.91.
والله there is. Oh my god.
Now 27. E intersection F complement.
كيف جوالي جا هنا؟ what the fuck.
So why are you still
okay.
here? Didn't you want to play LOL or something?
ما أعرف. ما بلعب والله صراحة فشنا اللعب.
Oh, how about Valorant?
شو؟
Valorant.
إيه جالسين تحلوا نفس الأسئلة؟
Yes, نفس الأسئلة.
oh my god خلاص كفاية يا جماعة.
طيب leave.
Just keep
خلاص.
repeating.
I kick you. You want me
لا
to
لا هذه أسئلة جديدة.
I kick you?
ايش؟
They're hard. Very hard. Not very hard بس يعني
يلا 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 خلينا نشوف.
إيش خلاص we finished. Okay, so 1 minus E union F, it's just probability of E plus probability of F minus
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 intersection.
probability
E
of
on-
intersection
Ad-
and wow. Okay, so 1 minus 0.5
هذه حليناها، هذه حليتها مع راكان، كانت في السلايدز حقت هذا.
طيب this is easy but the other questions were hard. Okay, so this is 0.4.
Fuck off.
Okay, so now number 28. Case 1. 5 black, 3 white, 6 red. Is it hard or is it just
It's easy, man.
easy? We could probably just do it.
Value of P selected balls that have the same color.
Case 1 without replacement, so same color. It's going to be 3 black plus 3 white plus 6 red. Let's just do it. Yes, it looks without replacement, so black, 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 white, 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 red, red, red. So this is 5C3, 3C3, 6C3. Now the trick is, how do you place into one of these?
Without replacement.
Now this is the probability, so we need to do 14. Okay, let's calculate this first. 5C3 is going to be 10. 3C3 is 1. 6 times 3 is 20. Okay, so 31. So 31 over. Now in total we have 5 plus 6, 14. So 14C3. Okay, now how does that... How is it A and C?
Give me a minute, I'm trying to solve it.
Answer 0.08.
Because they're wait, a random sample of 5 balls. They're picking 5 balls.
Oh, 5.
Yeah.
Oh, 5. Oh, oops. Wait. How? Oh, okay, so there just isn't any white. Okay, so 5C5, 6C5. So 5C5 is just 1. 6C5.
And I guess that's 6.
Yeah, 6. So 7. 6. So in total 7. So 7 over 14C5. So it's A. And it's 14C5. Okay, so 11C5. No, it's just A. Look, as a value, 14C5 is going to be like this is the like as a method, this is the right answer, but it could also be like 7 over 14, then C.
وي
14.
كيف طلعت الجواب قبل شوي؟
It's just all B's, all reds. So 5 B's, 5 red. Okay, there's no white because it can't fill 5 places.
Yeah, it can.
Okay,
طيب.
so 5C5 plus 6C5, 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so then you get this. This is the total, this is 7. Okay, 2002. Okay, just keep in mind that
يا اخي كل شوي اشوف الفايف حقتك 3 عشان كذا حسبتها غلط.
طيب okay, just keep in mind that 14c5 is equal to 14c9. Okay, both are 2 0 0 2.
تيريري.
Yeah, just keep this in mind. Okay, this is 14 minus 5. Okay, so when you do 14 minus n or r, okay, you get the same answer. Okay. Case 2, probability that the sector balls have the same color. Balls. Hold on.
It's not 0.03.
What?
Is it
Yeah.
supposed to come out as 0.003?
Let me. I didn't do it yet. Okay, so 5 black, 3 white, 6 red. Okay, so same color. So we just add 5 over 14 times wait. It might be C. It's for sure not A. It's for sure not A. Oh, with replacement.
Because it can be plus,
it's
right?
A, it's A. It's A.
Why?
Oh wait, I think. Yeah, it's A. My bad. Okay, so with replacement, so with so the probability is the same. Okay, so you could get 5 red, or 5 white, or 5 red. Okay, so the probability of 5 black. Okay, or blue. Yeah, black. So it's going to be 5 over 14 a cube. Okay, white is going to be 3 over 14 a cube because you're replacing it. There are only 3 white. Every time you take it out, then you replace. So it's going to be 6 over 14 cube to the power 5, not 3. My god. So yeah. So 30. 30. This one.
Without replacement.
الله يبارك.
Yeah, so without replacement, selecting 2 black and at least 1 white. So 2 black. Okay, so so it'll be 5c2. In all cases, there's going to be a 5c2. Okay.
There has to be 2 black and just
Yeah,
one.
always 2 black.
Yeah.
So then let's ignore the black, okay, and then focus on the other 3, okay? So you could have 1 white, okay, and the rest will be red, okay? White, red, red.
Oh, white,
Or
red. Oh, white.
red. Yeah. White.
It's 5, man. It's 5.
What do you mean 5? Yeah. Look, now you always select 2 black, okay? So it's always going to be black.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so 5c2, okay?
Yeah, I get it now. Yeah.
5c2 times then 3c1 times
62.
62
62.
plus 3c2 times 6c1 plus 3c3. Yeah, just 3c3.
And that's it.
Okay, and
Yeah, it's
then
gonna be
times.
C.
Okay. أصفر.
لا مو سي، دقيقة. دي أظن. دي.
Probability. Remember the probability, so C.
اوكي انا معليش ما انتبهت بروب.
Yeah, so either B or C. So
C.
let's see. Yeah. Think number divided by 14 C5.
سي. ثانك يو. والله فل تناغم. I can. Thank you.
You missed the good part. You know, the juicy part, yeah? Okay, this is easy.
شفت كيف يا ركان؟
This is the last
ركان
one.
لما رحنا
Man,
سحبوا علينا وراحوا يحلوا.
I wanna go.
Basically, we're basically. I think we're only going to solve like 1 or 2 more questions.
Alright. أنا رايح خلاص. Just tell me which ones. Just so.
I think this is the. Yeah, it's easy. There's nothing hard. Yeah, this is just this. It's just this. One of these over here. I think I should just solve this and then I'm gonna review Sonic. Nine balls. Yeah, this is just one of these, but I don't know which exactly.
Wait, what? What? What?
I think these are the same, but they just reverse the order. Yeah, I think it's the same. It might be the same.
Someone send this. I don't know. Might be helpful.
What is it?
Wait. Someone sent this. It's like summarizing everything from chapter 1 to 3. I think it's good.
Type. Let's just solve like 1 more question over here. It's easy.
Okay.
Oni-chan.
والله مخي انفجر.
موني-chan.
ما ادري من بعد ما شفت الاسئله اللي حط ريان كذا. I'm so disappointed.
إيه والله it's not hard. حرام عليك.
Okay, so
هي بس أسئلة ما قد شفناها.
so basically just this. Let's just do this and that's it. Then we're gonna revise this. Okay, so all of them are. So you understand the question, right? Do I need to explain the question or just solve it?
Solve it.
Okay. I mean, I explain it. So basically, it's going to be 0.4 squared. Then we want the probability of one of these not working. Okay, both of these not working. The probability that both of them are not working.
ليش سكوير دقيقة؟ ليش سكوير؟
طيب, you told me to just solve.
You Ryan explain this so it's bullshit.
طيب.
أنا ما حليت معكم دي، أنت حليتوا حالكم.
I mean, your brother.
My brother, it's fine.
Okay, so
every day.
Okay, now let me just explain the question, okay? Because the question is like kind of confusing. Okay, so you have a circuit, okay?
تفرق مفتوحة ولا مقفلة؟
Now there needs to be a complete circuit from A to B, okay? I mean from this point to this point, okay? So it could go like this, okay? And it would be, it's called, the circuit would function, the system would function. It could go like this, and the system would function, or it could go like this, okay? Both, and the system would function, okay? So now we want either it stops here, okay? If this is broken, for sure the circuit is broken, okay?
Okay.
If it's broken from here, for sure the circuit is broken, okay? So the probability of it functioning is 0.4 over here. Okay, so 0.4 times 0.4. Okay, this is broken.
Okay.
This works. Okay, 0.4. This works. 0.4. Okay, then we want to find all this. Okay. now we want to find the probability of all this working. Okay, so let's it's easier if I draw the tree, to be honest. So basically, okay, so this is A. A doesn't work. This is A. Okay, if it doesn't work, we don't care anymore. This is 0.6 probability of it not working. Okay, and then this is F. F doesn't work. This is F. This is 0.6, but if it doesn't work, then everything else won't work. It doesn't matter. Okay, this is 0.4. This is 0.4. Now the problem is with this part. Okay, because it's in parallel. Okay, only either this could work, this could work, or both of them could work. Okay, so or neither of them could work. Okay, and the circuit won't function. Okay, so the only it's called or let's think of it over here first. Okay, this group of two things. Okay,
BC.
the probability of it both of them working, okay, is going to be 0.4 squared. Okay, you understood that, Abdurrahman?
Yep.
This part, okay, the probability of this working is 0.16, which is 0.4 squared. Okay, because we need both of them to work, or yeah, if we need both of them to work, okay, or this branch won't work. Okay, so we do 0.4 squared. Okay, this is the probability of both of them working. Okay, now here is going to be the same, 0.16. Okay, both of them are working. Okay, now we could just like assume that this is like one big thing. Okay, we don't need to worry about the others. Okay, so assume that there's just two now. Okay, the probability of this one working is 0.16. This is 0.16. Okay, now we want the probability of both of them not working. Okay, because as I said, this one could work, this one could work, or this one could work. Both of them could work. Now it's easier to only calculate one value. Okay, and then do one minus. Okay, the complement. Okay, then calculate three values. Okay, because then you'll need to multiply this and this. Okay, so basically you want the probability of the whole thing working. Okay, not the opposite. Okay, so the probability of this whole thing working, okay, is 1 minus the probability of both of them not working. Okay, so the probability that this works is 0.16. So the probability of it not working is 1 minus 0.16, which is 0.84. Okay, so the probability of this all working, not working, is going to be, or let me just think for a second. We want both of them not working. Okay, so the probability of both of them not working is 0.84 times 0.84. Okay, then when we do 1 minus, we get the probability that both work. Okay, so this is going to be 0.2944. Okay, so then the answer is just going to be 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.2944, which is both of these working. This works times all of these working times this working. Okay, they all need to work for the circuit to work. Okay, so 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.2944, and you get 0.0471. So the answer is B. You understood that, or do I explain it again?
في الاختبار هاي فيش اسوي؟
Bandar?
ها؟
What did you just say?
اقول عارف الاختبار ايش اسوي؟
إني مني ماني
exactly.
البركة بالسلة.
لا ابشر I did something وطلع لي رقم قريب من 0.04.
طيب ايش
قلت بس خلاص الجواب شكله بي. هذا انا في الاختبار.
طيب عبد الرحمن you got it? Or do I explain it?
I think again.
1 minus.
Yeah, again, the middle part's fucking gay.
والله I agree.
شوف اللي رسلته يا عيال
Yeah, I'm
البي دي اف
gonna
ده.
look at it after I
So fucking nice والله so fucking nice. Like he just summarized everything.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, he summarized everything. ويحط
I'm gonna give him more 5 times. What?
بس طبعا مو زي ما سوى ريان. ريان يا عمي حل كل شيء.
طيب. Okay, so
انت عند ريان يا
all the
تعبان.
circuits okay have 0.4. Okay.
Nice dude.
So now we want
ايه ده؟ التلتم يا تعبان.
شوف برسل في الجروب دقيقة. شوف
only thing that confused me is the multiplication. No, I didn't notice it was not gonna make sense for the discussion.
ايه ده؟
just wait for it.
Where? Oh okay.
من الريت اللي يمنا.
It's a sad, yeah.
No. Look, these are fine. They put something.
They put something, yeah.
الفيديو مرة قديم عادي.
هذا الفيديو مرة قديم.
شاف الفرق خلاص. كيف الأحصاء يا عيال؟
والله سيخر والله.
For me.
والله بس ماني فاهم بس برضو.
تبغى نصيحتي؟ شوف اللي رسلته هذا البي دي اف. والله ترى مرة كويس.
Okay, so
اسحب يا ريان. اوكي.
okay, so now the probability of طيب,
PDF ماني شايف اي PDF.
For the circuit to work, okay, we need a complete connection to both sides, okay? So if this one doesn't work and this one doesn't work, okay, we know that the circuit will fail, okay? Okay, so for it to succeed, we need both of them to work. Okay, so 0.4 times 0.4, okay? And times,
هنا.
okay, and again here, we need both of them to work, okay? So this is 0.4 times 0.4, okay? So both of them working, okay, it's going to be 0.16. Okay, so this is going to be 0.16 times 0.16. Okay, now these are in parallel. Okay, so we only care about one of them working or both of them working. Okay, and that is, okay, let me just say draw it. Okay, probability of one working or probability of two working, okay, is equal to the probability of one minus either working. Okay. Then now the probability that both don't work, okay, is going to be okay, so the probability that both don't work is going to be the probability that this works is 0.16. The probability that both don't work is 0.84. Okay. So now the probability that both of these don't work is going to be 0.84 squared. Okay, so the probability that both work is going to be 1 minus that, which is 0.2944. Okay, so 0.16 times 0.2944, 0.0471. To be honest, you just need to try solving it on your own. If you don't understand it, then
Yep.
you understood it.
Yeah, I just got confused.
Try doing it on your own. Okay.
Yeah.
Disposable. Okay, that's the only thing I tried. Disjoint sets. Disjoint means that they're mutually exclusive, but we don't need to know that. If no elements. Okay. This is just base theorem. Yeah, okay. No wrong with that. Okay, now let's look at this. Who made this? I want to know. Dozens.
السعد عمله يا تعبان.
I think this is a student. Okay. Permutations. Just look at it. I probably won't. I'll just scan it in class. Okay.
ايه ده؟ تو ايجيبشنز يا اسطى.
Who is this? I need to know. Saw it here. Because if this is a student in with us, like I need to know that. Who sent it? Where did they send it? Here?
والله مرة ناسي الملف يا ركان والله. تقريبا فيه له كل الافكار حقت المنهج.
Who sent it?
الو ركان عايش انت؟
Arkan? You said.
والله ركان اختفى.
ركبك.
Yeah, welcome back.
يقول ما شاء الله اول ملف جامع كل الافكار حقت المنهج.
ها؟
It's from a consent.
الملف اللي انت ارسلته.
Yo, Ryan, where's the smile?
Looks organized.
I can't find it يا اسطى.
It's student with us in our time.
Oh my god! Ah! Oh, it's nothing, I'm just playing.
روح اتفرج عليه.
داس واحد.
طيب بكره ما حيكون في دوام ولا وشه؟
دكتور انا الغى المحاضرة. هو على حسب دكتورة كان.
يا ما شاء الله كلهم حلوين
ما حد قال شيء.
ومتعاونون مع الطلاب وما شاء الله يعني. fuck them dude. واحد يعطينا كويز كده من العدم واحد